Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get cooking. Today I'm going to make a cold Old Bay shrimp salad. Now it looks like a lot of ingredients, but it's really not that many. I have a lemon, I'm going to grate it just for some of the zest. Have some olive oil because I'm not going to boil the shrimp. I've already taken them out. I got one bag of large, peeled, deveined, tail off shrimp. I've already washed them. I'm going to pat them dry on the paper towel. I've got some Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, real mayonnaise, olive oil. I've got celery, fresh dill, and a red onion. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut up. Now, I'm not gonna boil my shrimp like most people do. I think that's disgusting. I mean, well, no, not really. It just takes the flavor out. I'm going to roast them. I saw that on the Barefoot Contessa years ago. She said it's easier just to put them in the oven at 450 and they're not cooked, you know, with the flavor away in the water. And I'm not making a gumbo or anything, so I'm seasoning some water I'm gonna dump out with good shrimp flavor. So I'm gonna put you on pause. I'll be right back, and then this only should take a minute. I wanted to come up with something different maybe for Easter Sunday dinner. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my shrimp. I've dried them all off on some paper towel. So I'm gonna put them here in a different bowl and add just a little bit of olive oil. Not much, I really don't want much. I'm gonna season them with a little Old Bay, because this is called cold Old Bay shrimp salad, and salt and pepper. And I'm using a finer salt for this. I'm not using the sea salt, and I'm just eyeballing this with just a little salt and pepper. Okay. So now I'm just going to put the shrimp, align this on this. I've got my famous parchment paper that I've fallen in love with, and these have all been coated with just a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to put these here on the tray and put them in the oven at 450 degrees just until they're done. They'll turn pink. Shouldn't be any more than 10 minutes. I'm going to put them on the top rack and closest to the fire because I don't want these to overcook. And I got fairly large shrimp. If I had my way, I would have gotten the jumbo, but I know they're harder to eat because you know, it is kind of, you know, cool to have to bite off of it and a piece drop in your plate or have to catch a piece. These are just the size that you can eat the whole shrimp at once, like on a cracker or on a fork. I just wanted to have a good shrimp salad. This is something I like. Like I said, I'll be the only person eating this. I forgot to count on this. Like I said, I bought them frozen and deveined and already peeled. And I did find one with a shell on the tail, so I would definitely say always check them. So anyway, I'll put you guys on pause and put these in the oven at 450 and get these cooking so I can go ahead and put the salad together. Okay, you see the shrimp are fully cooked. They're nice and pink and they've curled up, and so now we're ready to go. I'm just going to let these cool off, finish cutting up the vegetables, and then put this salad together. Be right back. Okay, I've let the shrimp cool and I've blotted them on some paper towel so they wouldn't be greasy, because I did, remember, coat them in a tad bit of olive oil to cook them, and these are absolutely the bomb. I recommend you guys to definitely give this a try, to roast them if you're going to make a shrimp salad. Don't boil your shrimp. You get a lot more flavor with the olive oil. Now I could measure this, you know, with some measurements, but I really don't know how I'm going to do this, so I'm going to look at it. And I'm going to leave the shrimp this size. I zested part of a lemon, so I'm going to put that in there. And then I've got the juice of, well, it's half a lemon I zested. I use the other half because I want to use it for a decoration. So a little bit of lemon juice. And then I cut up the red onion, the celery, and the dill. So I'm going to go ahead and add those. I'm not going to add all the dill. I have plenty, but I'm going to use some for garnish. If I have to add more when I taste this, I will. I wanted some garlic in this, even though I'm using Old Bay, but I couldn't figure out a way to incorporate it without using it raw. So I decided to use some garlic powder, it's half a teaspoon. And the Old Bay, I'm just going to eyeball this. It is a cold Old Bay shrimp salad, and this is Dijon mustard, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there, and then some salt. Some black pepper. And use whatever kind of mayonnaise you like. A lot of people like Duke's. It's not that big of a deal for me. I'm using Hellmann's, and I'm gonna add a little bit at a time and mix, because that way I can tell if I have it like I like it. I want it creamy. I have a good joke for you guys. Oh yeah, this is the video that my surprise is in this video. So I wanted to just show you guys some gratitude, my gratitude for my followers, those of you that like and watch my channel and spend, part of your lifetime, looking at me, because that's the time you could be doing something else. And so that's why this video has a giveaway in it. It looks like it's perfect. That's kind of how I like it, nice and creamy. I didn't use a lot of onion or celery. I only used, really it was like a half a stalk of celery. And it wasn't but a corner of that onion. And that's pretty much it for this salad. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl, let it get cold. I have a joke for you guys, and more on the giveaway. Okay guys, here's the final product. This is absolutely delicious. If you know anybody that likes shrimp salad, you have to turn them on to this recipe. With the fresh dill and the lemon juice, it takes it over the top, and the lemon zest. Well, let me tell you my joke. This man was sitting in the bar, and he had a little bitty head about the size of a lemon and normal sized body. So he was having a drink, and a guy next to him said, "Man, I gotta ask, I'm sorry, why is your head so small?" He said, "Well, I'll tell you." He said, "Many years ago, I was stranded on a desert island for many years." And he said, "I was strolling the beach, and I found this bottle. It was a lantern. I rubbed it, and when I rubbed it, a genie came out. So I asked her if I could have her build a road from the island I was trapped on all the way to the mainland. She said it was impossible because of tectonic plates and the water and the ocean, just to ask for something else. So I told her I hadn't had sex in a long time, so I asked her to make love to me. She said she couldn't because she was only a woman from the waist up and a fish from the waist down. So then I told her to give me a little head." So there you have it. That's my joke. Thanks for watching. God bless you guys, and please like, subscribe, and share, and good luck with the giveaway. I just wanted to show some gratitude to you guys who watch my videos and my followers. Thanks so much, and have a good evening. Hi everyone, thanks for staying to the end of the video. Welcome to my giveaway. Let me explain how this is going to work. First, this giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube, is not associated or affiliated with YouTube in any way. And by participating in this giveaway, you are releasing YouTube from any liability related to this giveaway. I, Jennifer Mallory, am solely responsible for this giveaway and ensuring that the winner will receive this Coach bag. I purchased this myself. I'm giving away a Coach handbag valued at $300. As a token of my appreciation for my followers. You guys are watching my videos on a very small channel, and I'm very grateful, because how many people look at channels with 5 or 6 subscribers? So to enter my giveaway, unfortunately, you must be a U.S. resident, and you must subscribe to my channel. You have to leave a comment, because that's how I'm going to do the computer-generated YouTube winner. I'm going to have YouTube do it, and they're going to go by the comments. And you have to share this video with 3 people. The giveaway it opens, say March 8th, 2024, and it closes on March 28th, 2024 at midnight Eastern Standard Time. The winner will be announced at 1 a.m. on March 29th Eastern Standard Time. in my description box and the title of this video. Oh, the winner will be announced in the description box of this video. The winner will have to email me by April 5th, midnight, or be disqualified. And a new winner will be generated by computer, YouTube. Privacy disclosure. Any information collected will be used solely for the delivery of the Coach bag to the winner. All the YouTube policies will be in the description box, and all the information that you need for this giveaway. It will be random. I would take everything out and show you guys, but the lady packaged it up so nice for me, and I really don't want to tear it all up and mess it up for the person that's going to win this, trying to show you the bag. It's called the Large Smith Tote, I do believe. So anyway, good luck. Thanks for watching, and God bless.